Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 10th of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 11's testing for the SPY strategy, which is the days open versus previous days close strategy. So if you go to the Excel sheet here, we can see that the first day on the 1st of March, we had, on the 4th of March, we had a sell signal which gave us a small loss of $578.07, bringing our daily return to with a loss of 0.055%, and our cumulative return slightly down to 9.412%. On the 5th, we can see we had a sell signal which gave us a huge profit of $6,569.82 US, which brought our cumulative return to 10.008% and our alpha up to 3.686%. Next, on the 6th of March, we had a buy signal which gave us a loss of 1,727.2, which brought our cumulative down to 9.85% and our alpha down to 3.021%. Next, on the 7th, we had another buy signal which gave us a profit of $3,580.48, and our cumulative portfolio return went up to 10.172%, and our alpha went very significantly down to 2.351%. And the final day, unfortunately, negated all the profits this week with a buy signal, which gave us a loss of $8,011.08, and brought our cumulative portfolio return right back down to 9.446%. And our alpha also down to 2.226%. So that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.